Hey, it's not the next day, but this is going to be in the next day's vlog, but it's still the same day. But I just hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. Very, very excited. Say morning.
Morning.
Who did not sleep good?
Me.
This one. You was not a happy boy, were you?
No.
What was wrong?
Oh. I wanted a waffle.
You wanted a waffle? What, in the night? Did you make Daddy go and get you food in the night?
No.
Oh, he's gone to get you a waffle now, hasn't she?
Yeah.
What time is it?
Morning time.
6:30. You my lovely boy. Take your did out. Take your did out. Give me the did. Yeah, big boy. You don't need a did. What are we doing today? Going to see Granny Nana.
I got it.
Hey. We're now going to my mum's house, which is about an hour's drive away, so we're driving there. And we're spending the day with her, so I will see you when we get there.
You what?
No, Mika.
Oh, they can have two.
No.
Oh, I can't. Oh, of course they
Wait,
can.
wait,
They don't
wait,
come
wait,
very
wait.
often.
We're at Granny Nana's house and we're going to inspect the flooded basement.
How much madness do you see?
Oh my god.
Can I have another one?
Yep.
Yay!
Oh my god.
Come down.
This is insane. This was Mum's kitchen. There was a big island here. I'll put in a picture of it beforehand. And that was where the sink was. Oh my god. Oh, and this was the utility room. It looks massive, doesn't it?
Oh, it is.
And this is the toilet that caused it all. We didn't cause it all. Yeah, Ari farted in it. No, it was a big storm in the water. Because this is a basement, everything, all the water came up. Oh my goodness. And then the garden's out here.
A smell. But
2, please.
one, please.
That's crazy. Excuse me. That's crazy, Mum.
Yeah. Would you say that they're progressing nicely?
I don't know, it's huge. It looks massive.
Oh, Daddy.
Daddy's here.
It's like living in a caravan.
Yeah.
No, come on.
This is her
Upstairs,
pop-up kitchen.
We're ready now, aren't we? No, going up.
Hey, sausage. We've come to look for meat and seeds.
Yeah.
Meat and seeds. Wow.
Come see you next weekend.
We didn't find seeds, did we?
No.
Or meat. What did you get? A sausage roll? Monster. I don't know, is it that one or this one?
This one. They both like.
It's so sunny still. Oh, we'll have to find somewhere else.
Yeah.
We're at Tesco's. It's a boring day. Are we home? We're home. And it is dark. We've done the Tesco shop. We're going to get it out. Yep. Okay, it's 6:30. Kids have just had their dinner. I've just filmed the Tesco grocery haul for this week. It was a big one, but we hadn't been properly. So I put most of that away. The kids have had their dinner. I've got stuff there. I've just emptied the dishwasher. I've got a film heron. I've got to load the dishwasher. I'm now putting these away. I'm trying to do a cooking video on lasagna because I feel like that's a good recipe to have under your books, under your belt. We've got dough there because we're making cinnamon buns in the morning. We're very excited for that. We made the dough this morning and we're leaving it, and then we're going to make them in the morning, which is going to be amazing. But yeah, I'm just now doing a bit of a clean of the kitchen. Fox is in bed, Ben's now putting him to bed, Mika's in the living room watching telly, Ari's doing some drawing. I feel a little bit wobbly on my feet because I've not had enough to eat today. So I'm gonna put this in the dishwasher and then I'm gonna sit down and decide what I'm gonna have for dinner tonight, because we did our meal plan for the week and we forgot to plan anything for today. So, whoops. I will talk to you in a bit when the kitchen is less like someone's just shat all over it. Aria has just drawn a picture of Mika. It's so good. Well done, Ari. Who are you going to draw next?
Mama.
Okay. Hey, hey. It's now 7:20. The kitchen is less of a mess. I don't know what I want it for dinner. So I've just got some crisp breads with some crispy onions. Excuse me, and some baby bell and a Coke. Yeah, that's what I'm having for now. And this cat. Hey, Benox. Hey, baby. This is my baby. He's my bestest boy in the world. He's my bestest boy. So yeah, I'm going to sit and eat this and I'll chat to you in a bit. That is me done for the night. Drenched in moisturiser. I started watching The Holiday last night with Jude Law and Diaz and what's her face? Fuck's sake, what's her name? Rose off the Titanic. Can't remember her name. Kate Winslet. So I'm gonna finish watching that tonight. I love all these old kind of films like that. I watched Sweet Home Alabama before that as well. So any recommendations, let me know. Easy watching, don't have to engage my brain. Just something to have on. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.